to stay at some places
kí ọmọ kan tó wá gba ilé fún mi.
before somebody came to rent an apartment for me here in Alapara.
Ègbèrègbè.
After all this,
Ègbèrègbè.
after many years,
wá padà sí mi rí mọ́.
I didn't see him again.
mo lọ kẹ́rù yẹn agídí mo lọ fi kẹ́rù yẹn jáde
By
nílé.
force, I had to go and remove my belongings from the house.
Ìgbà tó máa di 2009.
Then
2010.
2010,
àṣẹ nǹkan ti worse.
things has gone wrong and worse for
gbogbo
them.
nǹkan ti dàrú.
Things has gone wrong.
ilé ti dahoro.
The house has
Iṣẹ́
become
ti
desolate.
dahoro.
The business has become
even
desolate.
though ilé iṣẹ́ ti fẹ́ gba ilé yẹn lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀.
Even the company want to overtake that building from him.
àwa ń ṣe a fẹ́ ṣe àjọ̀dún.
We were preparing for
February tá a máa ń
anniversary,
ṣe.
February as usual.
Wednesday mọ́júmọ́ Thursday
Wednesday stroke Thursday morning,
ni mò ń gbàdúrà
I
lọ́wọ́.
was praying,
lolúwa sọ fún mi
and the
pé
Lord said to me,
ọmọ kan sọnù lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀.
"You have lost a son.
wá ọmọ yẹn lọ.
Look for him."
mo ní ọmọ wo.
Whose son?
ó ní Michael ní kí
He
n wá lọ.
mentioned his name, Michael. Look for him.
mo ní kí n wá lọ.
I should look for who?
Ah, mo bá wò pé tèmi bá gbà
I thought with if I has
pẹ̀lú
agreed
gbogbo ohun tí ojú rí yẹn.
with all we experienced.
olúwa tèmi bá gbà kó
No,
tó sọ èmi ti gbà.
there's nothing you tell me. I agree to go and look for him.
ṣùgbọ́n ìyàwó mi ńkọ́.
But what about my wife?
mo wá lọ bá mọ́mì níbi
I
tó ti
went to
fọ́.
mommy at where she was washing.
mọ́mì
I said, "Mommy,
báyìí báyìí lolúwa sọ.
this and this is what the Lord just said to me.
ó ní kí n wá ọkùnrin yìí lọ.
That the Lord said I should look for this man."
mọ́mì dorí kodò bíi 15 minutes.
Mommy bowed her head for about 15 minutes.
nígbà tó máa gbóhùn
By the time
sókè.
she raised up her
wọ́n
head,
ní tó
she
bá
said,
jẹ́bi tó lúwa lóun fẹ́ gbà nìyẹn.
she said, "If that is the way God wants to go,
kò sí ohun tá a fẹ́ ṣe sí.
there is nothing we can do about it."
ṣẹ́rí níjọ́ yẹn
That day,
ìgbà tí ilẹ̀ tọ́ọ̀sì mọ́.
then on Thursday morning,
pásítọ̀ Gbéyànjú làwọn á tẹ̀lé mi lọ bẹ̀.
our father, Pastor Boy, said he will follow me.
mo bá débẹ̀.
And we got there.
ìgbà tá a débẹ̀.
When we got there,
ìyàwó ló kọ́ yọjú sí
it
wa.
was the wife that first came out to see us.
ìyàwó á sọ pé
The wife said-
dáàdì fẹ́ rí. ó ní kí ìyàwó òun sọ fún mi pé òun ò fẹ́ rí mi.
And we said we want to see him. He told the wife that he should tell her that he doesn't want to see us.
làbá padà
Then we returned
sílé.
back to the church.
ọkọ mi ò lélẹ̀ ní ọjọ́ yẹn.
I was restless that day.
ọlọ́run ló ní kí bàbá wa kábíyèsí wá sórí òkè ńjọ́ yẹn. àwọn ló wò di prógrámù ọkùnrin ní Thursday.
Thank God our father, the Israel Majesty, was at the mountain. He was the one that held the program because I was not comfortable within me to hold the program.
mo dẹ̀ ń bá èmi ti lọ mo ní olúwa mo ti lọ bó
I
ṣe
said,
wí
"Well,
nìyẹn.
Lord, I've gone on this response from the person.
ìsọjí kan ni mo wá fẹ́ ṣe.
I wanted to hold a
àwa
crusade.
pín hambi.
Then we shared the handbill.
ó wá gba hambi
He
yẹn.
collected one
àjẹjọ́
of the
yẹn
flyer.
gangan ló ń lọ sí company tí wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe wọ́n fẹ́ gbàwé ilé lọ́wọ́
It
ẹ̀.
was that day he was going to the company where they are going to collect the document of
kíní
that
yẹn
building.
lórí orúkọ mi ní
It was the
lórí.
flyer he collected
Orúkọ mi
and he
nínú ẹ̀.
saw my name in it.
dádì ti tó padà sí ìdíròkọ
So as
ni.
daddy come back to Idiroko,
dádì mi
daddies,
èmi àti pásítọ̀ Gbéyànjú àti Reverend Badia àtijọ́ dúró tí a jọ sọ́wọ́pọ̀ tí mò ń gbàdúrà fún pé olúwa
the three of us, as I mentioned, we have come into an agreement to pray that, oh Lord,
mistake ló ṣe ṣàánú fún
he had made mistake. Please be merciful to him.
mistake ló ṣe bá mi ṣàánú
Please
fún
be merciful to him. He has made a mistake.
jọ̀ọ́ bá mi ṣàánú fún
Please be merciful
ó
on
níye
him.
ìgbà tí mò ń gbàdúrà fún
Uncountable time I do pray for this young man.
every Tuesday
After that, every
mo tún
Tuesday,
dẹni tó ń pèsè jíjẹ múmu sínú ilé
I
yẹn
had to be providing food into that family.
ẹ gbọ́ bí tólúwa sọ o
Hear what the Lord said.
wà á lọ
Look for him.
ṣó yẹ ń wà lọ
Am I supposed to look for him?
pẹ̀lú gbogbo ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yẹn ṣé ó
With
yẹ ń wà
all
lọ
he did, should I look for him?
ẹ gbàdúrà fún àwọn tó ń ṣe inú ni bí ni sí
Those who-
ẹ súre fún wọn.
Those who persecute you,
ó ní bébí bá ń pọ̀ tá a wá
even if your enemy is hungry,
ká fún lóúnjẹ.
feed him, give him food.
ìrìn àjò tó lé ní ìrìn àjò yìí o
This is a very delicate journey we are embarking on.
tó ṣe pé a ò gbọ́dọ̀ fi ìwà abínibí ṣe.
We must know we embark on this journey with our original character,
mo gbàdúrà
born
fún
into character.
mo gbàdúrà gbogbo ohun tó lọ́rùn rán mi ni mo ṣe.
I pray for everything that Lord has sent me to do. I did it
torí pé
because
bó bá Ọlọ́run bá lẹ́jọ́ kan tó fẹ́ dá kò kẹ́mi ó ti dàn
if there is any judgment, I don't want to be guilty. It's over to him.
nítorí náà
Therefore,
láti dẹ́kun láti dènà èṣù.
To hinder Satan,
àfi ká máa lépa àlàáfíà pẹ̀lú gbogbo
we
ènìyàn.
must pursue peace with all men.
ju
Torí
gbogbo rẹ̀ lọ
ju gbogbo rẹ̀ lọ.
ẹ ní ìfẹ́ tí ó gbóná láàrin ara yín.
ẹ ní ìfẹ́ tó gbóná.
láàrin ara yín.
now Christianity àlejò jẹun pọ̀ mọ́.
Christians, brothers and sisters, we could no more eat together.
ìgbà tẹ́mi gbàgbọ́
When I was first converted to
a
Christianity,
tó bí mẹ́sàn-án nígbà
we
náà.
were about 9 of us then.
bẹ́nìkan bá bọ́ sọ́lé àfẹ́wọ̀
When
tiẹ̀.
one person will remove his clothes,
Tẹ́mi bá
another
bọ́ sọ́lé
person will
ẹ̀kọ́ máa
wear
wọ̀
it.
ni.
You put off your clothes, I will wear it.
ìfẹ́ yẹn ti pọ̀ jù.
The love was so much.
níbo ni ìfẹ́ yẹn wà lẹ́nu.
Where is the love nowadays?
tí ìfẹ́ bá gbóná.
When there is a strong love,
nígbàkejì wáyé.
we will not allow there to be misunderstanding or fight.
ọlọ́run ò ní ṣojú ṣáájú o.
God will not
ju
respect
gbogbo rẹ̀
anybody.
lọ.
Above
ká
all,
ní ìfẹ́ tó gbóná.
let us have strong
Fẹ́ ara wa.
faith, strong
nítorí ìfẹ́
love.
ní bu ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ mọ́lẹ̀.
ìfẹ́ ló máa ń bo ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ mọ́lẹ̀.
Love covereth many of the sins.
ẹ máa ṣe ara yín lé àlejò láìsí ìkùnsínú.
láìsí ìkùnsínú.
1 Peter 4:8 and 9.
ìmọ̀ràn ni o.
It's an admonition.
ìmọ̀ràn ni o.
It's an admonition.
ìmọ̀ràn ni o.
It's an admonition.
àwọn nǹkan tó ń dènà ọ̀pọ̀ àdúrà tọ́pọ̀ àdúrà wa ò fi gbà
These
nìyẹn
are the
ká.
things that hinder most of our prayers from being answered.
lágbájá ṣẹ̀ mí.
So person offended me.
irọ́
No,
mi ní gbọ́.
I will not offend.
tó
I will
ṣe yẹn máa
not
gbá
forgive.
return
I will
fún.
make sure I retaliate.
kò bá ìfẹ́ òfin
It's
Kristi mu.
not in tandem with the will of Christ.
torí náà
Therefore,
dádì mi
that is,
sista mi
sisters,
àwọn akọrin ní.
these are choirs.
we are
members.
one in Christ.
Ọ̀kan níwájú nínú Kristi.
Àwọn bàbá ní.
These are fathers.
ọ̀kan la
We
jẹ́.
are one in Christ.
bí àbá tún lè jẹun pọ̀.
If we can no longer
A máa
eat
sá
together,
fúnra wa.
running away from
sá
ourselves,
fúnra wa.
running away from
máa
ourselves,
ní nǹkan míì síra wa.
having something against ourselves.
àwọn tí bí ń bu àkàrà láàrin ara wọn nígbà
Our
náà.
ancient father, they were breaking bread among
wọn ò
themselves.
nípa ara wọn.
They were not after
wọn ò
themselves.
jowú ara
They
wọn.
were not jealous of themselves.
iṣẹ́ yẹn sì ń
And the
tẹ̀síwájú.
work was progressing.
ìjọ yàn kún wọn ọlọ́run yàn kún wọn
God
lójoojúmọ́.
was adding to the church every day
nítorí pé wọ́n ní gbogbo nǹkan ṣọ̀kan.
because they are all things in common.
nígbà téṣù dé tá a fàyè lẹ̀ fẹ́ ṣù.
Now we have allowed Satan.
ìṣọ̀kan dàrú.
The unity has been
a
scattered.
lè ṣe nǹkan pọ̀
We
mọ́.
could no longer do things in common.
láyé ìgbà kan
In those days,
tí ìkànnì bá fẹ́ ṣèsọjí.
if Christians want to do
St.
revival,
Peter àkó irinṣẹ́ wá.
St. Peter will bring instruments.
ẹ̀yin passion for soul àkó tiẹ̀ wá.
Pastor for soul will bring their
gbogbo
own.
irinṣẹ́ tó lúkúlùkù ní ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì ni wọ́n máa
The
dájọ́.
instrument in the churches will put it together
gbogbo ìyá dẹ̀ máa lọ jù.
and things will be going smoothly.
wọn mẹ́ni kúmọ̀ mọ́ ìmẹ̀ láàrin
No
ẹ̀.
discrimination.
ṣùgbọ́n nígbà tó di ìjọ mi
But now it's become my church.
ìjọ wa
Our church.
ìjọ wa
Our church.
separation dé
Ìdíàpádé.
wàhálà dé.
The trouble comes.
àwọn bàbá yẹn ò ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀.
Our fathers didn't do it this way.
ẹja padà sí ọ̀nà ìgbàanì.
Let us return back to the ancient path
kí àlàáfíà lè jọba.
that peace may reign.
àlàáfíà ṣe pàtàkì.
Peace is very important
láàrin ọkọ àtìyàwó.
among husband and wife.
gbogbo aládùúà.
I pray
gbogbo ohun tí ó ti dàbàrú.
everything that has
tá a
gone
ti fi àyè
astray,
sílẹ̀ fún èṣù.
that Satan has scattered,
tó ti ṣe ọlọ́run agbágbára kó lọ́wọ́
God will
sátani.
revoke power from Satan.
fẹ̀gbẹ́kẹ́ni tó wà lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́
Touch the person beside you.
fẹ̀gbẹ́ kan.
Just hit the person.
báwo náà ṣe ṣe.
How did he or she respond?
ṣé wọn ò kóró ojú sí yín.
I hope he's not angry at you.
nígbà tí paul fẹ́ kó ìrẹ́pọ̀ láàrin wọn ó ní ẹ máa fi ìfẹnukonu
They say, with love, kiss each other.
kíra yín. bí kristẹni ṣe lè wà ní
This
bàbá
is
wà
how-
báyìí.
If you are like this,
àìkọ́wọ́ orin ọmọ ejò ló ń kó yàjọ ọmọ
it's
ejò.
because we are not working together, we are suffering individually.
òun ló ń kó yàjọ ọmọ
We
ejò.
are suffering individually.
olùfà bá ṣáájú.
If one go ahead,
tọ́ka tẹ̀lé.
another one follow,
tíṣèbé tẹ̀lé.
another one follows.
ọmọ ènìyàn tí ó dúró múra.
Who shall withstand a team?
ṣùgbọ́n gbà tó hàn lè kọ́wọ́
But
rìn.
because we are not working as a team,
wọn kọ́wọ́ rìn
we are not
ní.
working as a team.
tí àwa kristẹni bá fìmọ̀ ṣọ̀kan.
If we are united,
I'll take over ìlú.
we shall take over the cities.
báyìí ni olúwa wí.
bàbá pín yẹlẹyẹlẹ.
But we are separated.
báyìí ni olúwa wí.
Yes.
ẹ dúró ní ojú ọ̀nà kí ẹ sì wò kí ẹ sì béèrè ojú ọ̀nà ìgbàanì.
Ìgbàanì.
èwo ni ọ̀nà dídára
Èwo ni ọ̀nà
kí ẹ sì
dídára.
rìn níbẹ̀. ẹ̀yin ó sì rí ìsinmi fún ọkàn
sẹ́ni
yín.
tí n bá ti nífẹ̀ẹ́ ara.
If I do not love my brethren,
àìnífẹ̀ẹ́ yẹn màá fi kọ́ àwọn ọmọ.
I will
àwọn ọmọ
train
ọjọ́ mi.
my church member
Jeremiah
ẹ má lọ sọ́dọ̀ lágbájá o.
of that hatred.
Ẹ má
Don't go
lọ
to
sọ́dọ̀
so person.
lágbájá.
Don't go to so
Ẹ má
person.
lọ sọ́dọ̀
Don't go to
lágbájá.
that place.
Ẹ má lọ
Don't go to
sọ́dọ̀
that place.
nǹkan tí mo gbìn sáwọn ọmọ yẹn nú.
What I planted in their heart, they will exhibit it.
so olúwa ràn wá
The
lọ́wọ́.
Lord will help us.
gbogbo àwọn bàbá tó ń jókòó yìí bàbá mi ni gbogbo wọn.
All my fathers here are my fathers.
bàbá mi ni gbogbo
They are all
wọn.
my fathers.
látọ̀dọ̀ wọn kò sí ẹnìkan tí mo gbọ́dọ̀ sọ pé báyìí.
There is none of them that I must say something that is negative.
àwọn náà sì gbọ́dọ̀ mú mi gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọmọ.
And they must also embrace me as their son.
bàbá tó dá òní gbà kí nǹkan ṣe ọmọ ẹ̀.
A good father will not allow something wrong to
bí
happen to
nǹkan bá
his
ṣe
son.
ọmọ ẹ̀ òun ní nǹkan
When
ṣe.
something wrong happen to the son, he's being affected too.
bẹ́ẹ̀ ni sà ìgbà tí bàbá wa Òkìkíolú
When our father Pa Okikiolu of blessed memory,
kọlọ́run bá pẹ̀lú wọn pẹ̀lú iṣẹ́ tó ń fi sílẹ̀.
with the good work he has
ìgbà
handed
tí
over.
àwọn ọmọ máa ń wá sọ́dọ̀ mi bàbá ní ẹni sùúrù náà
When his church member were coming to me, he said,
ẹni
stop.
sùúrù náà àjọ ń
Wait.
gbàdúrà kan gbà yẹn.
We were praying together with
ìgbà tí
their
wọ́n
pastor.
gbàdúrà
When he went to the Lord, he prayed.
ọlọ́run wá sọ fún wọn
And the
pé
Lord told him that
bẹ́ẹ̀ bá fẹ́ bọ́mọ yẹn ṣe ẹ máa lọ bá ṣe.
if you want anything to do with that young man, please go ahead.
èmi náà wá jọ́ kan bàbá wa ní kí n wá.
One day he sent for me that I should come.
mo wá ní mò ń sá fún àwọn bàbá yẹn.
I told that I'm abstaining from
Iwájú
this
Ọlọ́run ni mo
father.
wà.
I'm saying this openly.
mo ní mò ń sá
I
fún
said,
wọn.
I want to abstain from those fathers. So
ó ṣojú pásá Gbéyànjú.
our father, Pastor Boyegi, was aware.
gbólóhùn yẹn tí mo sọ
That statement I made,
ọ̀run sì ṣe gbáwú.
heaven was shut because of that
mi ò
statement.
gbọ́ nǹkan kan mọ́.
I couldn't hear anything from God.
èmi àti pásá nǹkan kan wá ṣe ní mo kàn sá ń dààmú.
Something was wrong, things were not going smooth. I was troubling.
ọlọ́run tó wá tọ̀ mí wá.
And the Lord revisited me.
ẹni tó ránṣẹ́ sí ẹ̀yìn.
That person who sent for you
ẹni tó ránṣẹ́ sí ẹ̀ ó wà níwájú o.
is a person that is in my presence.
lọ
Go.
tó o bá wá lọ
If you fail to go,
má béèrè nǹkan lọ́wọ́ mi
don't
mọ́.
ask me of anything again.
èrè ni mo bá débẹ̀.
I ran to him.
èrè ni.
I
bàbá ló fà mí lé bàbá Aṣípa lọ́wọ́.
It's our father Okikiolu that handed me over to Pa Ashipa
ní ọjọ́ náà.
that day.
torí pé
Because
lẹ́yìn yẹn ló wá bá mi sọ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀
after that,
ọ̀rọ̀.
he discussed a lot of things with me.
bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni
And so,
ẹ̀yin bàbá wa tó kù
are the rest of our fathers.
ẹ má wò wá níran.
Do not just be
Bàbá
looking at
ti
us.
ṣe mistake.
If you have done any
ẹ
mistake,
sọ fún wa.
tell us.
a ṣàtúnṣe.
We shall make
ẹ ṣe wo mi mo
As
ní
you see,
olùbáwí o.
I have people that can correct me.
ẹ̀yin bàbá wọn yóò lè béèrè lọ́wọ́ mi pé ṣé bí Kristi ṣe kọ́ torí mo máa ń retí kéèyàn sọ pé ṣé bí Kristi ṣe kọ́ yín nìyẹn.
There is one thing I don't like. Somebody telling me, is this how
Gbólóhùn yẹn máa
Christ
ń
taught
bí mi
you?
nínú
That statement is
ẹ má
also
wò wá
painful.
níran bàbá ti ń ṣe mistake kan.
Once we are making a
Ẹ sọ fún
mistake,
wa.
tell us
kálàáfíà jọba
so that peace may reign.
a dára fún wa.
It shall be well with us.
ẹ jáde lè dúró.
Let's burn our faith.